Soy, good morning. We are here today in Hospicio de San Jose, here in the renovated night shelter for the homeless. I'll take you guys through our project turnover. Let's go.
I am Joey Cecilia. I'm the chairman of this project, and this Shelter of Hope is for the beneficiary of our street dwellers and for the people of Manila who doesn't have any homes.
Natutulog kami ng anak ko po sa kalye. So, nakakakain kami ng dinner at nakakatulog kami, nakakaligo. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Umpisa pa lang to. Ang isang mahabang paglalakbay, palagi nag-uumpisa sa isang akbang.
Makakaasa po kayo na ang community development ay kasama nyo sa pag-improve ng kabuhayan at buhay ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.